What's that?
You remember? That was a dress, you remember? The dress was red.
My dress was red?
Yeah, you remember?
When was that?
You remember when we went to church?
I was wearing a red dress?
Yeah.
Well, how long ago was that? I don't remember that.
Yes, you do. Your dress.
I don't have a red dress.
Yes, you do. I decided.
You did?
Yeah.
Were you dreaming?
No.
When did I wear it?
You just wear it.
Okay. So that's my red dress?
Yeah.